los terroristas.
Good morning, Heartland Community
Happy
School.
birthday to Andrew Booker, Sylvie Craig, and Aaron McVicker.
Good morning, Heartland Community School. There will be a school dance tonight, April 18th. So get your granddad's clothes or dress in all pink, except for your gator shoes.
Because those are green.
You plan on interrupting me all day?
Man, we've done that for the past 3 days this week.
That's right, folks. It's a thrift shop dance. The point is to look terrible. So if you're trying to look good, you're doing it all wrong. I got my leopard mink. I don't know if you did.
Yeah, but it kind of smells like R. Kelly sheets.
Okay.
Reminder to students that there's no school on Friday due to meetings for teachers.
Middle School Science Club will be today at 12 in Mrs. Lynette Smith's room. You won't want to miss today's balancing act.
It's a circus. The Ring Lady from Jostens will be here Monday, April 29th and Tuesday, April 30th at lunch hour. A $60 deposit is required to order your grad ring. If you're in grade 11, you can order now and have your ring for September. And if you're in grade 12, it isn't too late to order. Get your catalogs from Miss Taylor.
Grade 9 and 10 French camp forms are due to Mrs. Scott today, April 18th by 3 p.m. And now for your weather with Patrick
Big Daddy
McLaughlin.
Alright, well, in weather news, it's currently -1 degrees centigrade, which is science for Celsius. And it's going to warm up to 11 degrees centigrade. And it's pretty clear out, so it's going to be a sunny day. That's your weather.
So you're fluent in the language of science now?
That's all for now. Huskies, if you know the number for a good therapist, please give me their number.
He's broken.
Stay classy.
Con los terroristas.
The Harlem Shake.
Con los terroristas.
The Harlem Shake.
Con los terroristas.
Au Canada, terre de nos aïeux, ton front est ceint de fleurons glorieux, car ton bras s'est porté